Hi everyone, welcome back to the Unity Stamp Kit of the Month unbagging boxing. This is for April, so you're seeing this in May. I got it fairly quickly, but I didn't do a video until almost the end of April. Anyway, I'm the proudest owner. I'm now the proud owner of the newest kit of the month, and so we have a girl holding flowers with sympathy, sending hugs, thank you. This right here, which I think would be really cool on a plain sheet of paper, stamp this out in a color, and just have one sentiment on the side, like thinking of you, miss you, love you, sending hugs, something like that. Got this mailbox, this post. Now, you all know that I'm a sucker for stamps. I don't know why. I just like it. I think I blame my mom. She blamed herself when she was here. She was like, "Yeah, I think it's me," because she used to work at a factory in Burnham, Texas. She used to bring home a bunch of key rings. She was like a checker on the assembly line. Um, and she'd have to tag, put your assembly line information tag on there. She used to bring the ones home, and I used to play with them. I think that's why. That's probably why I'm into like trinkets and stuff like that. Post a little stamp, a little uh, envelope with a heart on there, some postage, sending you a little sunshine. Always on my mind and forever in my heart. It doesn't have to be soon. I just want to feel better. It doesn't have to be soon. I just want you to feel better. Hello. Oh, that's a good sentiment. This house, which I hope this house is a decent size. We got some tulips. These are tulips, right? Tulips. Thinking of you. May your home be filled with love. And then some more little stamps. Now, these stamps are really going to be cool because, they're not going to be that small. So, anyway, let's look at the quote unquote free stuff that we get. Looks like some type of ribbon tape situation going on right there. Then we got very cool 5 sheets of card base. Excuse me, yeah, card fronts. They're very thin. They're not super thin though. They're not like copy paper thin, but they are pretty thin. Then we got some brads and tags, which is really cool because you could take this, put that on there. You can use these strips, and is that it? I wonder who the person is that thinks of these little trinkets to go in the kit because they're not really free. They don't mail them to you if you don't have any affiliation with So, all right, so we're gonna look at the inspiration. This is cool. I might, I need to get. I need a stamp. I need a stamp die. I'm gonna get a stamp die. I have one, but it's introverted. Inverted, not introverted. I'm introverted. It's inverted. I'm introverted, but it's inverted. I need an exverted one. So this is really cool how they have that, and I love this like bundling of the stamps. And this is how you do it. Very cool. Now I guess they just made lines. Yeah, use a T ruler and black pen, create a partial box, and then it says on the side you can either draw lines to write on, leave it blank, or fill in with another image. So yeah, yeah. And then this right here. Is this on here? Oh yeah. So the people that did this, Noel, and Julissa, they chose the two stamps that I probably would never gravitate to. That's really cool. It gives us more ideas, right? So look at this one, and it's purple and black. But let's just look for ourselves and see how big this is. This is huge. Literally, it's humongous. I do have by now, well, I don't know. I have an idea for how we're going to use these stamps again. The collaboration won't be back because Wonder Dreamer is not subscribed to the kit of the month anymore. If she does decide to do the kit of the month again, we'll probably bring that particular collaboration back. But I will do some stuff, and I have an idea how I want to get it done. So let's hope. I keep putting that back in, but I wanted to see this. This is a fairly big. These are some nice. They're always nice size, but I was hoping that it would have been very good, very nice, and it is. Look at this. This is nice. A good size. Palm of my hand. And I don't have huge hands, but I don't have dainty small hands either. So this is three. The tallest. Well, the tallest is 3 1/4, roughly 3 1/4, and the widest is 3 1/4. So that's a good size because if you're doing an A2 size card, 4 1/2, excuse me, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, that fits perfect. But the house, this house, I don't have to hide what I like or don't like because the next time you see when the way I'm going to do it, you're going to see a few. This is a pretty decent sized house. Again, size of my hand, 3 1/2, roughly 3 1/2 by 3 3/4. Yeah, I like this one. This one I like. It's big. It's huge, right? Uh, 4 by 4 1/2. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And then this little girl. I'm not really. I don't know. I mean, I know we like the ladies, but I don't know about her. I've seen an image like her before, and maybe that's why I'm not like, oh yeah. But they're all cute little things. I didn't tore this thing up. Um, yeah, but this little raggedy kit that we have that I've done to it is the kit of the month, and you will see us do some stuff with April in May, of course. So you'll be seeing this at the second to the last day of May, and then you'll see a project in May as well, May 31st. All right. So anyway, I want to say thank y'all so much for watching all over the place. Anyway, this is called Petal Post. Until next time, happy crafting.